A gambler places a bet on a horse. To win, he must pick the top three finishers in order. Eight horses of equal ability are entered into the race. Assuming the horses finish in a random order, what is the probability that the gambler will win his bet? We are trying to guess correctly three times. We want to guess correctly who got first. We want to guess correctly who got second. We want to guess correctly who got third. Now, what makes this one different is they're asking for the probability. On the other one, they weren't asking for probabilities, they're asking for combinations, okay? So for probabilities, we are going to find probabilities, which means I want to find the probability that I get the first one right, and then I want to find the probability that I get the second one right, and I'm going to get the probability that I get the third one right. So as far as probabilities are concerned, since there's eight horses and I'm just randomly guessing, the probability that I get the first one correct is 1 in 8 because there's only one winner out of eight possible horses. Okay. Now that word "and," I want to get the first one, and I want to get the second one, and I want to get the third. And means we are going to multiply. So we're going to multiply that by the probability I get the second one correct. Now, since I'm going to assume I already correctly guessed the first one, um, which gave me a 1 in 8 chance. Obviously, I'm not going to guess that same horse to come in second place, right? Because I'm trying to guess all of them correctly. So whoever I guess first is not going to be part of my sample set. So now that leaves seven horses to pick from. So the chances that I guess the second one correctly is going to be 1 in 7, considering that I got the first one correct. And then when I get to the third horse, same thing. I'm going to assume that I got the first and second one correctly, which is going to be pretty difficult, but I'm just going to assume that I did. Obviously, I'm not going to pick those two horses to win in third place. So now I have six horses to guess from, and I would get something like this. To get our final answer, we're just going to go ahead and multiply those three numbers together, and then that should give you your final answer.